What's up guys, I'm Cameron, and this is everything that's in my miniature Altoids Tin emergency fishing kit. This kit is really just kind of oriented towards something that you'd have in like your Go pack or something like that. But with it, you should theoretically be able to fish and cook that fish. So first thing is going to be 25 feet of 6-weight monofilament line. So you're not catching any monsters with this, but it's going to be good enough for panfish and trout and kind of standard stuff that you might have around. This one is a crawfish lure. They work really well for me for, again, panfish, and just about anything will go for something like this. This is the rest of the lures here. So one little minnow lure, and then you've got 3 standard hooks so you can find worms or grasshoppers or anything like that. 1 weight, and then 2 of these little spinner jigs if you feel like you need them. I've also got 2 dry flies here. Dry flies, you know, I'm a fly fisherman. I love fly fishing. And while fly fishing isn't always the most practical, you can catch just about anything on a mosquito. This is an indicator, again, designed for fly fishing, but in this kit, it's going to act as the bobber. So if you do have one of those hooks with a worm on it, you can use this as your little bobber, your little indicator. So that's all of the fishing equipment. Now onto the cooking equipment. You got to have your food taste good. I got a little Zap pack, right? Little like blended spice pack from Little Caesars. It's better than not having anything at all. A couple matches, and then your lighter strip or whatever you want to call that. This here is probably just a little bit over 1 square foot of tin foil. This is something that you can wrap up your fish in and help to cook it much more conveniently than having to poke it with a stick and cook it over the fire. And last but not least is the blade. So obviously there's no space for a real knife in here. Hopefully you have a knife with you, but if not, this is something that can at least be used to process any kind of normal sized fish that you might catch. So hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully it gave you a little bit of inspiration for your own kit, and subscribe, because next week I'm going to head out and do a little bit of catch and cook with nothing but the things in this kit. Cool. Peace. See you guys later.